guys, Ashley here, and I just wrapped up at 2584 Bendale, which is our new listing in Blue Ridge. I met Jasmine there and we are co-listing that home together. So it's a brand new listing we just picked up. Hi, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Jasmine.
And we're from the ARM Group. We're proud to present our new listing 2584 at Bendale Road.
This beautiful rancher is located in the family-friendly neighborhood Blue Ridge in North Vancouver.
Come take a look with us. We actually got that listing door knocking. Next, I'm off to meet Leslie, my other team member, and Leslie and I have an appointment at Belle Isle in North Vancouver, which is a brand new development, a pre-sale, and we are meeting a brand new client there, a client we've never even met before. Leslie and I actually met our new client through our email list. So we have a couple landing pages set up that grab and capture emails, and then every once in a while we use that list only for specific purposes. And the reason for this is we never want to burn out our list. So we've got a really great list built. It's 9,000 contacts now. And we preserve that list for when we have something really great to tell people about. So we will use that list when we find properties that have bonuses on them or new developments with great incentives. And that way we know when we're sending it out that we're gonna have a really good return on our list, and we're never actually sending anything out that we're gonna lose subscribers or lose interest of the people on our list. And that way when we do find these great properties with bonuses and incentives and we use our list is really valuable to us. A pro tip when building a mail list is you wanna build your mail list into categories. So our different landing pages capture leads and capture clients and actually funnel them into different categories. So we have one list that's for pre-sales, we have one list that's for detached homes, we have one list that's for condos, and then we also have our list categorized by neighborhood. The reason for this is every time you send out an email newsletter, you run the risk of losing subscribers. So all your content has to be matched to what that person's actually looking for. For instance, if we capture a lead or we generate a lead from a landing page and they're looking for condos, but we send them all our active listings for detaches, then they're gonna unsubscribe because we are not offering them what they're looking for. So for this reason, we split all our mail lists into categories. That way when we send out email newsletters, they're only receiving something they actually want to know about. And because of this, we have a very low rate of losing subscribers. I'm really curious, guys, are you building an email newsletter? If you are building an email newsletter, are you separating your email leads and your captured leads into different categories to match the content? Let me know in the comments below if this is a practice you use. And with that being said, I'm gonna take you guys along to Belle Isle with me. I'll introduce you to Leslie, and cross your fingers for me that this client buys this property. The really great incentive of a $10,000 bonus on this property. Hi. We're looking at these units over here today.
Look at these patios.
So the ones in between are L7s, and how much are L7s?
The L7s are starting at 1.089.
That's a killer deal.
That is.
The only two left in the building. These are the three that our client is interested in. This is the L8 and the two L7s left. This building was released only last week, and the other two have already sold. so.
Also kind of looks a little bit like Ellen DeGeneres with my blazer on, so.
No, it just shows our nice,
Yeah.
fit, slim, active bodies,
Yeah.
which people, I think, relate to, like, that we're on top of shit.
Yeah,